So I broke my doorknob, or somebody broke my doorknob. And this is really easy to fix, but I don't make videos for experts. So you might not know how to fix this, so I wanted to make a video while I'm fixing this. The reason for this happening is this is a hollow core door. This is just a door pull, and on the back side here, it just pulled right through. So the first step is to try and get this to push back through so I can get this bolt out. So I'm gonna loosen this until basically the knob comes off, like that, and then I'll put it back on a little bit, just a couple threads, and then I'm gonna try and push the head through without doing too much damage on this side. Key is try. Okay, now I can get that bolt out of there. And the solution to have this not happen again is I'm gonna try and use a washer just to have more surface area right here. And hopefully it will not pull through as easy. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. I'll put my knob back on. And tighten it with a screwdriver. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing to this one so that it doesn't happen again. Really, really simple fix, but maybe you didn't think of it. If that happened to you, then hopefully it helps out. Thanks for watching.